Hey, what's going on, guys? I know it's been a minute since I uploaded a video, but here I am trying to do this video on this car. It's a '08 Nissan Altima, I believe it is, and we're doing the water pump on it on the 4-cylinder version. So I got the jack stand. You need to remove the wheel so you can get to the tensioner on the belt. Usually it sits right here. It's a little bit tucked in now because I removed the belt already. But if you have water coming straight down here, that's where the water pump is on top. And then obviously you're gonna get Sprite water everywhere, and you're gonna see the green water coming out. So to do this job, you need to remove the alternator first and everything. Remove the positive cable of the battery. What I usually do is I take it off, put a rag on, and sit it right on top so it doesn't make any contact. And then the alternator, it has your plug here. They usually do break. The clip on it breaks because it gets toasted. You got your positive wire here. You got one bolt here, and then one at the bottom. So I'm gonna show you here. That will be, this is the bracket for the alternator. So the first bolt on top is here, and then there's another ground wire that goes up here on this harness. So you loosen this one up, don't take it out just yet, and then you got the one on the bottom here, which is a little longer one. You take your reservoir, you put it on the side so you can make some space, and then you got your water pump. Now your water pump is a 12mm bolt, and you just get a little ratchet. You can get it out of the way, comes in and out. Still haven't tied this one down yet, but so that, and you don't have to lose another motor mount or anything like that. You just start taking the bolts out, and it comes right out. So yeah, and then how to put it back together is the same process. You put your water pump back in, you put your alternator with the two bolts. The longer one goes on the bottom, the short one goes right on top. You put your ground, you put your wiring, and then yeah, from there reservoir back in place, and then start adding water to it so you can bleed out the system, and everything should be back to normal. Make sure that when you're bleeding the system, you got your heater on. That way it's blowing hot air once the car gets the temperature and whatnot, so that you know that the water is circulating properly. And yeah, you're gonna have to top it off after it cools down and whatnot. But yeah, so that's a simple water pump. Alternator out of the way, 3 bolts it has. You take that off, take the belt off, obviously, and now you put everything back together and it should be good to go. Alright guys, like always, stay safe out there with the coronavirus. Wear your mask, be safe, keep the cars on the road, and hopefully I'll help anybody out there that would need the water pump done on this model. And like always, help me help you. Subscribe, share, and if you guys have any question, just let me know and I'll gladly help you guys out. Alright guys, it's a short video, but until the next one, later.